Hello, my name is Landers Weekly, and today I will be discussing the technical writing elements of knowing your audience and situation, based on the information provided in Chapter 2 of the Elements of Technical Writing Handbook by Thomas E. Pearsall. I will discuss how this directly coincides with the engineering field and workplace locations involved. The types of documents that are used on a daily basis in the engineering field are P&IDs, which are process and instrumentation diagrams, blueprints, reports, permits, clear safety procedures, and written instructions. I will discuss the three main points of knowing your audience and situation. These are concerns and characteristics, education, experience, and location, and attitudes towards people and information. Recognizing and discussing the first major point is concerns and characteristics. This is broken into 5 audiences, which include 1. Laypersons, which is a person without professional or specialized knowledge in a particular field or subject. 2. Executives. This is a person with managerial authority in a company or group. 3. Technicians, which is a worker who is proficient in relevant skills and techniques of the field. 4 is experts, someone with immense experience with practice and education in the field. And number 5, a combination of 2 or more of these audiences I just named. An emphasis on the second point is recognizing education, experience, and location. When engineers write, they have to know which technical engineering terms and concepts their readers will know and not know. For example, when writing for fellow engineers, they can automatically assume a shared vocabulary, knowledge, and understanding on the subject. When explaining to non-engineers, such as contractors, technicians, or laypersons, they need to explain further and break down each step to adhere to the audience's level of education and experience. Analyzing the third point, attitudes towards purpose and information. We see how important this last step really is. Always make it simple and significant. No one wants to linger. Try to make whatever you're doing straight to the point, but without leaving any important information unaddressed. Determine how much persuasion and support needs to be included in your document, while at the same time designing the document so it can be used effectively and efficiently in the location where your audience works. For example, when submitting a written request or permit to a contractor or technician, it might be better to discuss the procedure in a step-by-step approach. Including diagrams and pictures can help in the assistance of understanding and knowledge. A face-to-face approach with technicians and contractors is something that is always and should always be used in the engineering field. Taking the time to get out of the office and into the field and do a quick walk down of the task at hand is vital in the understanding and completion of a job. The last thing you want in an industrial setting is confusion. You want the instructions to be clear, precise, and safe. If someone is unsure, they need to speak up, and that's why the face-to-face approach is so important in engineering. Confusion or unwillingness to ask questions can lead to injury or even death. Choose an appropriate language and tone for your specified audience and workplace location. Communication is key. In conclusion, knowing your audience is imperative to obtaining and maintaining a successful career in mechanical engineering. You must practice and utilize these 3 parts which we discussed earlier. 1. The audience's concerns and characteristics. 2. Their education and experiences. And 3. Their attitudes towards purpose and information. Again, I'm Landers Weekly, and I hope you now have a better understanding and importance of knowing your audience and their situation. Thank you for watching.